Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Monday. It is the 3rd of August. We've got showers and thunderstorms thanks to a cold front that's pushing through. Very humid today. You got the dew points up in the lower 70s, even some mid 70s, pooling around the area with the showers and the thunderstorms. The heavy downpours could be 1 to 2 inches more of rain. I sprayed yesterday. I did end up using a synthetic fungicide on the tomatoes because I am starting to lose some plants, and this is always a gamble. I try to go organic, but if I'm going to get to a place where I'm going to lose all my crop this time of the year, it's just way too early. If we're late August, early September, I might be willing to sort of forego this, but I am using it because I'm not losing those tomato plants. So we'll see what happens. I took off some of the diseased leaves at the bottom. I was treating them with Monterey makes a product, the company, and also some copper fungicide, which are organic, approved by Omri. So we had to change the guns here a little bit. All right, as we head forward today, the showers, storms, humidity, temperature in the low 80s. Tonight we're down to the 60s. Everything comes to an end. Probably between let's call it 8 to 11 o'clock west to east, maybe a little earlier. Tomorrow, beauty of a day. Same thing on Wednesday, by the way. A little more humid on Wednesday, but tomorrow dew points are in the 50s to low 60s. It's going to feel a lot better. Probably open the windows up when you get up tomorrow morning just to kind of air the house out if you would like. But it's pretty warm in the afternoon in the mid 80s. Same thing on Wednesday. Thursday we're up near 90, and Friday also near 90. More humidity at that point. Maybe a couple of showers at the end of the week. So all in all, a good week for vacationers. That is for sure. Have a great day, everybody.